The Great Adventure to Save the River. There was a river in the heart of an exuberant forest full of life that was much more than a river. It was the source of life for all the animals that lived there. Its waters were so crystal clear that they reflected the blue sky and the treetops like a magic mirror. The river stretched throughout the forest, and all the animals of that region, from the smallest insect to the largest elephant, quenched their thirst on its banks. In this forest lived Zippes, a small squirrel who loved to spend his days hopping between trees, gathering nuts, and having fun near the river. One day, Zipper stopped by the riverbank to drink water and noticed that something was different. The river, which once flowed freely and strongly, was strange. Zipper then walked along the riverbank for a while, trying to discover what was happening. Suddenly, he arrived at a place where he could see many tree trunks blocking the river. These trunks were right in the middle, blocking the water's passage. The river was getting lower and lower, and the land around it was already starting to dry up. The fish were having difficulty swimming, and the other animals were starting to worry. So Zipper ran to warn the other animals and ask for help. On his way, he met his friend Feather, a very clever toucan, and explained what he had seen. The toucan said, "We need someone very strong to move this tree." The squirrel said, "Yes, someone with a lot of strength." Then Zipper had an idea. He thought of his friend Trunky, an adventurous baby elephant who was known for his enormous strength and good heart. Zipper hopped through the forest in search of him. "Trunky, Trunky," said Zipper, "the river is blocked. We need your help." Trunky the elephant opened his big, curious eyes. Upon hearing all about the river, he immediately stood up. "A blocked river? Let's go, Zipper. I'll help." They went to the place Zipper had spoken of. Arriving there, Trunky saw fallen trees, thick branches, and trunks blocking the water's passage. He tried to push with his powerful trunk, applying all his strength, but the tree didn't move an inch. He tried again and again, but it was too heavy. Discouragement began to set in. It was then that the toucan, flying agilely over the river, noticed something important and said, "Wait, wait. Trunky the elephant, there are many tree trunks. It would be better to remove the ones in front. That way, the other trunks will go downstream." So, the elephant did exactly what the toucan advised. Thus, the trunks and fallen tree remains floated away, downstream. The water, previously blocked, began to flow strongly again. The fish jumped for joy, and the other animals of the forest, who had been watching anxiously, applauded and held a party for Trunky the elephant, Zipper the squirrel, and Feather the toucan. The river was free, and life in the forest was safe. And so, they learned that even the biggest problems can be solved with a little strength, a clever plan, and the help of good friends. Zipper realized that even the smallest help can be the most important when working as a team. If you liked it, leave your like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to follow more stories.